discipline. Discipline leads us to live life down. Discipline is the key to successful life. Let me conclude my words. Thank you. I would like to thank you all. Right down.
അടുപ്പിച്ച് പിടിക്കുക.
Respected teachers and all my learners, today I speak on topic importance of discipline means following strict regulations. Discipline is important in our life. We achieve success following discipline is very important. We like the importance of discipline. It improves against Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to speak about importance of discipline. Discipline is the basis of whole universe.
ഓർക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു. ആൻസ്മരി അഞ്ജലി പറഞ്ഞു. സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തു. സ്റ്റോറി ടെല്ലിംഗ് ആണ്.
Good morning. Hello everyone. Today I tell a story about the house. One day a rat got bored. The rat come out of his hole. The rat go to a garden. He saw a big cat. He ran to a shelter. He hid himself under a big leaf. That shelter was a tortoise's resting place. The tortoises roared at him. What are you doing here? Go back to your hole. The rat ran out of the shelter and find another shelter. The rat ran on the farmer's step. The farmer asked him, what are you doing here? Go back to your hole. The rat ran straight to his hole and he said, home is the best. Morning everyone. I like to speak few words about the story, The Rabbit and the Tortoise. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit and a tortoise living in a forest. The rabbit fast and still. The tortoise slowly speed. The tortoise challenged the rabbit race. The race started. The rabbit fast. The tortoise slow. The rabbit stopped and slept, and the two